Need to cut the noise before it ever hits your unified namespace? Here's the 60-second recipe on how to use Deadband and swing Door Trending with Bentor's UMH. Step 1. Drop the downsampler processor into your pipeline. This baseline here deduplicates every tag. Threshold of 0 means keep any change, drop byte for byte repeats. And a max time of 30 minutes means send a heartbeat every 30 minutes so nobody thinks the sensor is dead. Need heavier noise suppression? Add an override. Wildcards let you tighten just the hotspots. Temperature gets a 1/10 of a degree band, and furnaces switch to swinging door trending with a 5 seconds physics limit and a 1 hour audit ping. And if you rather steer it tag by tag, set the tops directly in the metadata here in the tag processor. The downsampler processor here will read it and then apply it. No extra need for config files, just configure everything where you are also contextualizing it. Remember, Deadband is great for alarms and discrete states. Swing trending shines on slow ramps and noisy flows. Both honor a heartbeat and both acknowledge messages only after they've been safely forwarded. So even a power cut in Bentor's UMH won't lose a single point. Now it's your turn. Drop the downsampler in front of your OPC UA Bridge or right before timescale. Hit deploy and watch the compression go up.